Moving on now and shifting our focus to Bihar. As the clock ticks down to polling day in Bihar, a full-blown crisis is brewing inside the Mahagathbandhan. The grand alliance that promised a united front against the NDA is unraveling. Seat-sharing talks unresolved. Allies are fighting each other bitterly, and the leadership question is adding another layer to the confusion. And amid the coalition dangle enters one man, Pappu Yadav. The Purnia MP has ignited a political storm once again by saying the face of Mahagathbandhan in Bihar should be Rahul Gandhi. He does not name Tejashwi, but the message behind the snub is clear. This pitch comes at a time when the RJD and Congress have fielded candidates against each other in many seats. So while the NDA moves ahead with a sealed alliance formula, the opposition camp is stuck in a tug of war. Here's Pappu Yadav adding to the crisis.
जनता चाहती है कि इंडिया गवर्नमेंट की सरकार बने। जनता कहती है कि हम लोग आदरणीय राहुल गांधी जी के संघर्ष और उनके विचारों के साथ हैं। जनता कई कदम आगे है और हमारी पार्टी और राहुल गांधी जी का बिल्कुल क्लियरिटी है उसमें। मेरी क्लियरिटी साफ है कि हर परिस्थिति में हमें राहुल गांधी जी के नेतृत्व में चुनाव लड़ने की जरूरत है। इस प्रदेश का की जनता, चाहे अत्यंत पिछड़ी जाति हो, चाहे दलित हो, चाहे ऊंची जात के लोग हों, तो राहुल गांधी जी के संघर्षों में अपने विश्वास को रखते हैं। और किसी में मेरी ये लड़ाई, एक तरफ नरेंद्र मोदी का चेहरा है और एक तरफ राहुल गांधी का चेहरा है। नीतीश कुमार जी भी मुख्यमंत्री के चेहरे नहीं है और मेरे ख्याल से हमारे तरफ से भी कोई मुख्यमंत्री का चेहरा नहीं होगा, नहीं रहना चाहिए।
क्या आप मानते हैं कि 12 कैंडिडेट आपस में जो लड़ रहे हैं वो वापस हो जाने
जरूर वापस होना चाहिए कि हर परिस्थिति में वापस होना चाहिए।
But Pappu Yadav's pitch for Rahul Gandhi as face of the alliance in Bihar has armed the BJP. Pappu Yadav claims that the alliance should fight polls on the face of Rahul Gandhi and that there should be no CM face. BJP says this exposes the confusion and also shows how Congress is fielding Pappu Yadav to snub Tejashwi. RJD too has reacted, saying that even Congress doesn't take Pappu Yadav seriously. Here are reactions from BJP and the RJD.
आरजेडी चाह रही थी कि तेजस्वी जी को चेहरा बनाया जाए महागठबंधन का बिहार में। वो तो होने से रहा। कांग्रेस पार्टी ने कॉन्स्टेंटली तेजस्वी जी को चेहरे के रूप में नकार दिया। राहुल गांधी, सचिन पायलट, कृष्णा अल्लावरू, उदित राज। पर अब पप्पू यादव जी ने कहा कि चुनाव के बाद देख लेंगे सीएम। पर अब तो चेहरा इस इलेक्शन का केवल राहुल गांधी है। मिशन विशन है नहीं, केवल कंफ्यूजन है। और अब तो चेहरा भी क्लियर नहीं है। एक तरफ है एनडीए अलायंस मिशन विशन के साथ, दूसरी तरफ एमजीबी महागठबंधन, जिसमें अब राहुल गांधी चेहरा है, ना कि तेजस्वी। ये पप्पू यादव बता रहे हैं।
कोई कुछ बोल रहा है जब कांग्रेस पार्टी ही उनके बयानों का कोई ना नोटिस लेती है और ना उनके बयानों को कोई तवज्जो देती है। उनके बयानों को कांग्रेस पार्टी ही खारिज करती है, तो उनके बयानों पर क्या प्रतिक्रिया देना। अरे श्री तेजस्वी यादव जी के चेहरे पर 243 सीटों पर जनता वोट करने जा रही है, ये सबको पता है। सब चीज का कल घोषणा प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में हो जाएगा।
Contrast the situation in the Gathbandhan with the situation in the NDA. The seat-sharing deal has been locked, with BJP JDU set to fight on 101 seats each. Chirag Paswan's LJP is set to fight on 29 seats, and RLM and HAM will contest on 6 seats each. BJP's top guns and star campaigners are gearing up for an aggressive election campaign, with Prime Minister Narendra Modi set to begin his blitz from Karpuri Gram on the 24th of October by paying tribute to Bihar's icon Jananayak Karpuri Thakur. The NDA's agenda is clear. Listen in to how key players in NDA are slamming the mess in the INDI bloc.
जब उनका गठबंधन ही उखड़ गया तो सरकार को तो क्या ही उखाड़ फेंकेंगे। जब उनका पूरा गठबंधन ही कोलैप्स हो गया, and when they talk about friendly fight, I don't believe that there's anything called friendly fight. Either you are friends or you are fighting with each other. There's nothing in between. तो ऐसे में जब एक दूसरे के सामने ही घटक दल जब नामांकन जब कर रहे हैं, तो मैं ये मानता हूं कि महागठबंधन ने हम लोग की ताकत को और ज्यादा बढ़ा दिया। हम लोग वैसे ही मजबूत जीत की और हम लोग बढ़ रहे थे, बट इन्होंने तो वॉकओवर कुछ ऐसी सीटों पे भी दे दिया जो शायद हम लोगों के संज्ञान में या हम लोग नहीं मान रहे थे कि हम लोग ये सीटें जीतेंगे।
देखिए, महागठबंधन में जिस तरह से टिकट बंटवारे को लेकर और उम्मीदवार की घोषणा तक सिर फुटौल, सर से सर टकराना, माथा से माथा टकराना, जिस तरह के हालात बने हैं, बिहार की मतदाता इस बात को देख रही है कि अब ये महागठबंधन नहीं, द न्यू नेम ऑफ महागठबंधन इज महालठबंधन, लाठी चलाना। और जनता के सामने एक नया फेस आया इन लोगों का कि ये लोग जब आपस में मिल करके टिकट का बंटवारा नहीं कर सकते हैं, एक प्लेटफॉर्म पर नहीं आ सकते हैं, तो हाउ कैन वी इमेजिन कि ये सरकार चला सकते हैं।
Now the RJD is clear. For them, Tejasvi Yadav is CM face in Bihar. Rahul Gandhi, who got Tejasvi to join him on his Rath during the Voter Adhikar Yatra, has been silent on the question of Tejasvi being the CM face of the alliance. On the sidelines, smaller allies are crying foul. JMM, a Gathbandhan ally, has opted out of the poll race, citing betrayal from RJD. Meanwhile, Congress has sent its crisis manager to Bihar to iron out the differences. Former Rajasthan Chief Minister and veteran Congress leader who likes to call himself a Jadugar, Ashok Gehlot, was rushed in to control the damage. On the face of it, both leaders, Tejasvi Yadav and Ashok Gehlot, are trying to downplay reports of any cracks in the coalition. But is that really the case? Sample the reactions.
कोई विवाद नहीं है, कल बात करेंगे, कल आप लोगों को सबका जवाब मिलेगा। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
ऐसा माहौल बना दिया पूरे प्रदेश में, महागठबंधन में झगड़े हो गए हैं। कोई झगड़ा नहीं है, सब मिलके ही कैंपेन करेंगे, सब मिलके ही काम करेंगे और जीत के आएंगे। ये माहौल बना, सबका सहयोग रहेगा। सारी बातें कल स्थिति पर जाएगी, कल प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस है, उसमें सभी स्थिति समझ जाएगी।
Arunil, my colleague, is joining us on the broadcast from Patna. Well, it's a fact that the Mahagathbandhan allies don't see eye to eye on several issues, which reflected in seat sharing as well. And another proof of that is the friendly fight happening on many seats. And that certainly has created a lot of mess, although there's damage control happening.
Well, certainly yes. Both Rahul Gandhi and Tejasvi Yadav tried to pose a united front during their Vote Adhikar Yatra, but immediately when, subsequently when the seat sharing discussions had to be taken place, as many as 12 seats now, there is a friendly fight on the cards. Now, whether Ashok Gehlot, the go-to man of the Congress High Command, who's earlier told other states as well to solve the mess in the party or solve the alliance mess for the Congress party. He is here in Patna as well. Around in the afternoon, he went to Lalu Prasad Yadav's residence. He met Lalu Prasad Yadav, the veteran leader. Also was present Tejasvi Yadav. Now, whether tomorrow they will be making a joint, obviously they will be holding a joint press conference, whether there will be any withdrawal from the alliance candidates to ensure that there is a united front on that aspect as well, that we will be keeping a close eye on. What the Mahagathbandhan here basically is saying is, they are also posing a question to the NDA, saying that why isn't Nitish Kumar being presented as a CM face then? Why didn't Amit Shah, Home Minister Amit Shah, who was here in Patna, did that? He only said that the elections have been contested by the NDA under the leadership of Nitish Kumar, and only the numbers will later decide who is going to be the CM. So basically the charge from Mahagathbandhan is also coming in that all is not well within the NDA as well. Now, coming to the smaller parties of the Mahagathbandhan, be it the JMM, be it the VIP, or be the other parties as well. Congress also, we understand, has been feeling that they've got a rough deal from the RJD, that is basically Tejasvi Yadav, who's been contesting on more number of seats, that is 143 out of the total 243 seats that will be going into polls in Bihar. And also the Congress party has been saying that the smaller parties are not very well accommodated by the regional party, that is Tejasvi Yadav's RJD. It basically provides much ammunition to the BJP. The BJP has been saying that this is not Mahagathbandhan, but this is Mahalatbandhan. They are putting out swords against each other, putting lathis against each other, and their face in front of people of Bihar is completely exposed now because the people of
Rahul Gandhi and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He wants Rahul Gandhi to be the face of the alliance. Arunil, stay on with us. We are also getting some breaking inputs on the broadcast. There's a lot happening on ground, Arunil, in terms of who's going to be the CM face. If you ask that question to the NDA, there's a standard response that comes in कि हम नीतीश कुमार की नेतृत्व में चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं. Whether or not he will be the CM if NDA is brought back to power, that question, no clear answers coming to fore. Also, the press conference that will happen tomorrow, extremely important. Is Congress also on board? Will Tejaswi's name be announced as the CM candidate remains to be seen?
Well, certainly yes. Basically, what the Mahagathbandhan is also saying over here is that they have raised a question on Nitish Kumar himself. It was Tejaswi Yadav who said that Nitish Kumar is facing 20 years of anti-incumbency. He also raised a question on the mental state of Nitish Kumar, saying that he's achet now. So basically, there is no proper available option for the NDA. Whereas the NDA is concerned, it will the campaign has already been kicked off. PM Modi will be reaching Bihar on October 24th. Subsequently, several other campaigns will be conducted by the senior BJP leaders from Delhi and several chief ministers of
Arunil, I have to
BJP.
interrupt you.